name is Patrick. Today the NMIMS process started and they've given a revised weightage for the selection process. Okay, so some of the students who went for the interview and they found out that the weightage was 60% is the weightage for NMAT, 10% is the weightage for VAT, 10% is the weightage for Watson. There were different tests called Watson Glacier test. So 10% is for that, 10% is for interview, 5 for academic diversity, and 5 for work experience. I mean, Watson Glacier is a common standard test which is there. You can look at it online. But yes, if you look at, there is a weightage for VAT which is 10, weightage for PI which is 10. That is right now in your hand. If you can make a difference out there, you have a chances of getting selected is higher, right? 60 weightage for NMAT looks very high, but when you scale down that score from, 360 to 60, that is 1/6, a difference of 6 marks will become equal to difference of 1 mark out of 60. The weightage will reduce. Anyway, my suggestions will just give you idea as to how to focus as far as your preparation goes for the interview. All the best and do well. Right? Thank you.